Hello teachers, Jos Marhay na Aldo po sa Gabos. Conversion of units po tayo today at gagamitin po natin ang list of scientific constants and metric commands. Ito po yun sa baba at dito naman po sa taas ang ating scientific constants. Okay, here is our first problem. How many inches are in 45.6 centimeters? So check po natin anong code ang meron para sa ating problem. So we have centimeter to inches, so it's 0 to, right? At paano po natin i-input sa ating calculator? Kopyahin po muna natin, we have 45.6. Then ano po yung code natin? Tandaan, it's 0 to. Okay, press shift 8, ayan po sa taas yung conversion. Then, input natin yung code natin dito na 02. So, ayan, hindi naman tayo malilito dahil nakalagay naman dito 45.6 cm, 2 inches. Just press equal sign. Then, we have in decimal form, press SD. Then, the answer is 17.95. It's letter D. So, ganyan lang po para sa ating conversion of units. Next, we have problem number 2. How many feet is 2.1 meters equal to? So, check natin. Ano po ang ating hinahanap? Meters to feet and it is 0.4 sa ating code. Then, our calculator, input natin yung given. We have 2.1. Again, meters to feet, it's 0.4. Shift 8, 0.4, 2.1 m to feet. Okay? Press equal sign, nakadecimal, press SD, 6.89, and it is letter C. So, ganito lang po para sa ating conversion of units. Lagi lang pong maging maingat para hindi po natin mapagbalibaliktad ang code. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Kindly share so we can help more self-review math majors. Claiming LPT 2024. God bless teachers.